Hey all designers watching the series of how to apply graphic designing principles to your designs. So in this video we're gonna look at balance. Balance can be achieved vertically, horizontally and diagonally. I'm gonna show you an easy understanding on this. If you look at this design with normal perspective, it looks absolutely fine. When you look at it as a whole layout by drawing a line horizontally, we can notice that there is a lot of space left empty below, which might affect viewers' eyes. So what we can do is, keeping the line as guide, I'm gonna slightly move the scan because it's the main attraction. I'm gonna increase the size a bit more. Now it looks better. Same technique you can follow for vertical as well. As you can see, there is a lot of space on left. So I'm gonna flip the can and increase it slightly. And now you can see that the layout is holding perfectly balanced with no unwanted spaces. You can also follow a trick for diagonal as well. And that's how you can achieve balance in your designs. If you have any doubts, drop below in the comments. I'll see you again in another video. Have a great day.